Hello guys, welcome back to our channel KN Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss about Cognizant off-campus drives. And before moving ahead, I would like to say that if you want to get daily job update and internship update, then subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram group. Now we will discuss about in which position Cognizant hiring. So guys, as you can see, Cognizant Gen Z programmer trainee hiring is started for 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch. So Gen Z programmer trainee, this is the exact position, and this is very good opportunity. This is a full-time opportunity, and application deadline will be 30 April. So you have lots of time, so you can apply. And CTC. So if we talk about the CTC, so CTC will be 2.5 LPA, and job description you can read by one. Now talking about the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria 2019, 2020, 2021 batch. So only 19, 20 and 21 batch graduates can apply, and BSc, BCA and BCS and IT, computer science and computer technology and mathematics and physics, chemistry, electronics students can apply. So if you have degree in BSc, BCA and BCS and IT, computer science and computer technology branches, then you are eligible for this opportunity, and no standing areas in current education. So you should not have standing backlogs in your graduation and your academics, right? Consistent academic record of minimum of 50% in 10, 12 diploma, UG, all subject will be taken into consideration, right? So this is the percentage criteria, like you should have 50% in your academics in 10, 12 and graduation, and maximum of 2 years gap in education. If you have maximum like 2 years gap and more than, if you have more than 2 years gap in your education, then you are not eligible, and if you have minimum 2 years gap, then you are eligible. Open to Indians nationals, OCI and dual citizenship holders, and flexibility to relocate any location in India, work in any SIP domain. So this is the eligibility criteria. All things, all these skills, all these degrees and gaps and standing backlogs, all these things you should have, then you are eligible and you can apply. So how to apply this opportunity? You need to create your profile on Superset platform, and Superset registration has started. So register here and you can apply in this opportunity. I hope you like the video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.